now we're in business. This is exciting. But don't get too excited yet. We have to get through the contingencies. The buyer now will secure their loan, have their inspections on the property, and review all of the reports and disclosures. This typically takes anywhere between 7 and 17 days, depending on what was initially agreed upon in the contract. In some cases, when you're dealing with a very desirable home that has multiple offers, we can negotiate for there to be no contingencies, but this isn't as common as we'd like. During the contingency time frame, the buyer can back out of the home if they're not happy with what they discover on any of the reports, disclosures, or inspections that they have done. After reviewing the reports and having the inspections, this is when a buyer would be asking for things to be repaired, or they could possibly ask for credits because of the things that they have found. The buyer also has the option to back out of the home if they choose, or if they have requests that we cannot come to a mutual agreement on, then they can also choose to back out. Also, for some reason are not able to qualify for the loan, or if the home does not appraise and we cannot come up with a mutually agreed upon price regarding the appraisal, the buyer can also back out. You need to understand that if a home does not appraise for the contractual amount, that the lender will only loan on the appraised value and obviously take into consideration what the buyer was qualified for. Any additional money required would need to be made up by the buyer, or the seller would have to agree to adjust the contractual price. Again, unless you have countered out any of these contingencies and they are not made a part of the contract, the buyer has the right to back out of the home and they can retain their deposit. This is why it is essential to hire an agent like myself who knows how to properly vet the buyer's offers and have the right conversations and ask the right questions to the buyer's agent and lender. The buyer's deposit is only at risk if they have officially removed their contingencies. So I always advise my clients not to pack their bags until all of the contingencies are removed. Be sure to get the contingencies removed as soon as possible and stay within contractual timelines as much as possible. Once contingencies are removed, well, now you can get a little relief and more assurance that the home sale will go through. You should be moving soon. Watch below to see what happens next and what to expect. And feel free to personally reach out to me so I can get more in detail with you and find out about your needs so I know how to properly advise and serve you. Joanna Kraft Real Estate.